Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vishawn Jones, visionary Fedora Outlier LLC. And listen,
4:21 p.m.
hold on.
Messages. Unread. Kimball Groove. Unread. Kimball Groove. Search. Search field.
All right, hold
Actions
on.
available.
Shut up, phone. Listen, man. I got a question, right? But it's not me asking you a question. You guys know how you're helping somebody on the phone, and once you help them, they say, "Hey, since I got you on the phone, can I ask you something else?" And I be like, "Oh Lord, not nothing else." I don't be like that. No, I don't be like that. I be like that in my head. No, I don't tell them no. But nah, for real, what I do is I record a video and I send it to them. The reason why I do that is because you guys got the same question, and I'd rather record it once and give it out a whole bunch of times. And that's what we did for this particular person. So D Butler sends me, Jada recording. Hey, I kept talking.
Dictate. Button. Search. All inboxes. Heading.
You know what? I'm gonna keep going because this get on my nerve. God dang. All right, so D Butler, check it out. D Butler says that she wants to send emails to individuals, and then when it comes back, she wants them to go into a particular folder. She don't want those people emails to be in her normal inbox. She want to go to a particular folder, right? All right, so you know, I said, well, D, I'm gonna record a video for you and I'm gonna send it to you and I'm gonna let everybody else see it too, cause clearly they got the same question. So here we go. All right, D. So we are in Mail on iOS, right? I'm hitting the microphone. What we want to do
Mailboxes. Back button.
is go back
Mailboxes. Mailboxes. Heading.
into your mailboxes list. Now I got 5 emails, email, accounts, if you want to call it that. I got an account for my dog. I got a cat for my cat. No, not a cat for. I got an account for my cat, but I really don't because I don't even got no cat. But Chewy sent me some cat food by mistake. So if you got a cat and you need about 5 cases of cat food, I got some premium quality cat food for you. You know what I'm talking about? And I got one for the wife. That stay pretty full with. I need you to do this and I need you to do that. I need to make just a to-do list mailbox for her. And I got my personal, I got my business. But we're going to skip all that. What we're going to do is go to the top.
Mailboxes. Heading. Edit. Button.
We're going to go to the edit button.
Done.
It says done, but we ain't did nothing yet. But when we get done, you know that's where we supposed to go. Now I'm going to go to the bottom. Now, here's the thing that I hate to see people do.
Se- re- se- Selected. Thread notifications.
All that
Button.
right there, all that,
Actions available.
all that ain't necessary. You want to get to the bottom, just
Toolbar. New mailbox. Button.
bap. You know what I'm talking about? New mailbox. So I'm going to double tap.
Cancel. Text field. Is editing. Name. Insertion point at start.
Already asked me what
Actions available.
It's already asked me what I want to do. I'm going to name the mailbox.
Dictate.
D Butler has her own mailbox named after her now. Boom. So I'm gonna double tap on that. Pow. All right. And so since I'm not going to the bottom and I do need to swipe, that's why I did that. So I don't want to hear nobody in the comments talking about, I heard you go shoot. That's because I was looking for something in the middle of the phone. But if you want to go to the bottom of the phone or the top of the phone, it's just a key tap or it's just a 4-finger bow. If you don't know about the 4-finger bow, you might need teaching, right? I'm going to put it in the Fedora Outlier LLC folder. All right, and then confirm that it's there. I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to hit save. Now Now, it's there, right? Because you just did it. You saved it. Let's go back to this done. Now, I'm going to the top, y'all. We know that done is at the top. I'm not going to do all that. Click, 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 click. I'm going to just go. Boom. All right. So the mailbox is there. We created it. D, we did what you asked us to do. But guess what? I know you're going to say, well, Michelle, how do I get this stuff into the folder? How do I get the stuff into the folder? So D, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go here. I don't really want that email, so D, I ain't gonna put that in the old mailbox. All right, let's put today's daily tip in your mailbox. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swipe up or down. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go to more. I skipped over it so you can see that it really doesn't matter which way you go. Okay, pap pap. All right, don't worry about that. All right, so you wanna go to move message. Boom. Pap pap. And now that message is in the D Butler folder. Now we're gonna take this thing a little bit further because you're gonna say, well, sorry, after I put the message in a folder, how do I get to the folder to view them if I want to see them later? So we're gonna go back to the mailboxes. Boom. And we're gonna find D Butler's mailbox. And where did we put it? We put it under Fedora Outlier LLC. So why are we looking for something else when we know where we put it? Let's go to Fedora Outlier LLC. Boom. All right. And so that is complete help for creating a mailbox. Once you create the mailbox, moving messages to the mailbox. Once you create the mailbox, you move the messages to the mailbox, and you want to know, how to open up that mailbox, I just showed you. All right. So this tip goes out to D Butler and all of you all who wants to create mailboxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording.